Good day. This is Engineer TGM meHOGn. I've been on this series of microfilters in the water purification system. Today, I want to move forward on a very important discussion on the technicalities of the reverse osmosis and remineralization.
This is a unique 5-stage water purifier cum dispenser with multi-filter layers. Dispenses at room temperature. You can drink directly from the tap and also fill your dispenser bottles easily. This unit is a standard treatment unit. It has a pH of 7 to 8. No more fear of shortage of water. No more buying of bottled water. Well treated. It kills about 10.
Water has a chemical formula H2O. Water standing alone without formula does not conduct electricity. What conducts electricity in the water are the minerals dissolved in the water. Minus all the minerals in the water becomes a poor conductor of electricity. Reverse osmosis is the second most advanced technology in water treatment. It takes out about 95 to 98% of contaminants in the water, steam distillation system, and that takes out 100% of all the contaminants. So the RO is not designed for now to take out 100% of the contaminants. We'll talk about the technicalities of the reverse osmosis. There is a model of meHOGn engineering and treatment I'm having on me right now. This is the raw water from your pretreatment model or your borehole, and it goes through these microfilters of different micron sizes. If you check my previous presentation, I talked about the sizes and the sequence of arrangement, so you can check my YouTube channel to get that information. So it goes through these microfilters to drop the loads that comes with the raw water. Then it enters the reverse osmosis system. The main component of the reverse osmosis system that takes care of the water is called the reverse osmosis membrane. And it has a pore size of 10 raised to the power minus 4 to 10 raised to the power raised to minus 16. From there, it moves to an option called the remineralization. What best practice is get rid of all the minerals in the water if possible, then remineralize with either your magnesium, calcium, potassium, or whatever you want to bring back into the water system. From there, it goes to the ultraviolet light system. The ultraviolet light system is also optional. If your membrane has a pore size of 10 raised to the power minus 4, which is the micron size of water, viruses of microorganisms that is of that pore size or less than that can go through. So the ultraviolet light system will take care of it. It's also optional. So you need to be testing your water from point to point. This line is the line that carries the concentrate, the extracted contaminants from the RO system. So there are two operates at the exit. This one carries the permeate, that is the treated water, while this line carries the rejected water. Recycle this water back to the system for retreatment. So it's left for the operators of the companies based on their available resources. It enters the remineralized treatment model where the minerals are returned back to the system, and the calcium, the magnesium, the potassium, etc., that is required by the company is optional. Many may not want to use this model. After that, it gets to the ultraviolet light where the water is disinfected before the POU, point of use. This ultraviolet light is also optional. If your micron size of the membrane is 10 raised to the power 4, and there are microorganisms that are smaller than 10 raised to the power 4, it will go through the system, thereby contaminating your water. For you, your water is treated, but at the end point, it has some microorganisms. So this UV is extremely important to check out any microorganisms that may filter into your water and the cause of treatment. But if your reverse osmosis membrane is high caliber, for instance 10 raised to the power minus 16, you may not need a ultraviolet light system. However, it is recommended that you install it, because further research shows that the reverse osmosis cannot eliminate some viruses because of the pore size. It breaks through. So always learn to install your reverse osmosis, your UV ultraviolet light system is critical. The reverse osmosis is very, very advanced technology. It's fully automated, sometimes 100%, sometimes 50%. This is a reverse osmosis system on one of our plants. All these are automated valves, the solenoid valves. These are the microfilters installed. Then you have the side glass that monitors the water environment. Then you have the gauges. These are gauges. So the system is fully monitored by these components. And this particular model is fully automated. The importance of automation is that it helps you to free your time for other assignments or responsibility you may want to carry out while the system is running successfully. The reverse osmosis is also pressure driven. The recommended pressure pump is normally 1 HP. Some people are tempted, some operators or technicians are tempted to use beyond 1 HP to get more water. It's risky because when the pressure pump has a higher HP value, it forces the membrane pores to open wider because it comes with airflow. there's a pneumatic influence on the membrane, thereby allowing debris that's supposed to be trapped to go through freely, thereby making water unsafe to drink. So HP, 1 HP is ideal to power your reverse osmosis membrane. And it is important to note that you need to test your water as the purification process proceeds. Many a times your reverse osmosis membrane may be coming down with time. Instead of giving you higher effectiveness, from 100 it goes down to 75%, 60, and to you are drinking a reverse osmosis water. Before this video, I showed up a video where I showed a graphical model on how the membrane or the effectiveness of the RO comes down with time. This is very important. To round up this brief presentation, I want to say that all RO systems, no matter the brand, the style, reduces contaminants to between 95 to 98%. And those contaminants are the TDS, the salts, and other contaminants that are found in the water. Subscribe to this channel so they can get more of the videos as they are released, because when you subscribe, any new video that is put into YouTube, you'll be alerted. Thank you for taking our time to watch this video. If you need to train, you are free to register online. We're just giving you clips. When you train with us, you get expanded view, highly technical views on approaches on how to handle your water equipment. This is meHOGn Water Engineering and Treatment Operations. You are welcome. Have a great day.